Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by prepping rice and protein so they cook evenly. This controls texture and flavor. Once rice soaks, mix yogurt, 1 tablespoon ginger garlic, turmeric, garam masala, and salt into the chicken or veg. Make sure to massage the marinade into pieces for 20-30 minutes to tenderize. Meanwhile, heat 3 tablespoon oil and start frying sliced onions and whole spices until aromatic and browned. This builds the base flavor that will permeate the biryani. You now develop the middle. Concentrate the sauce so it clings to the protein. Once the onions and tomatoes break down, add marinated pieces and simmer until nearly cooked through. This prevents overcooking later. In parallel, bring rice to a rolling boil and cook until about 70% done, then drain. This ensures separate grains in the final dish. Make sure to layer the semi-cooked rice over the sauce and scatter fried onions, cilantro, and mint between layers to infuse aroma. You finish by sealing and steaming the biryani so flavors marry. This dumb step locks in moisture and aroma. Once layered, drizzle saffron-infused milk and a little ghee, seal with dough or a very tight lid, and cook on the lowest heat for 20-25 minutes. Make sure to rest 10 minutes before opening to let steam redistribute. If the rice turns soggy, don't panic, uncover and spread gently on a tray. Then briefly oven bake at 200 degrees for 5-8 minutes to restore texture.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.